Here's the good news for all my procrastinators out there. When you are experiencing procrastination, the last thing you should do is push through it. Make yourself do it. Just deal with it. Get more disciplined. That's what people will tell you. But that's actually exactly the opposite of what you should be doing. When you're procrastinating on something, it's because you have a fear of something. And so that might be of following up with an agent that you haven't heard back from. It might be of posting something on social media. It might be of finally scheduling that headshot session that you know you should have done 3 months ago, right? But rather than just feeling like, oh crap, I'm not disciplined, I'm lazy, rather than beating yourself up over that and just pushing yourself, I want you to do something different. I want you to take a step back and get clear on where that fear is coming from, because then we can reframe that thought and actually make a change. Most actors have had something at the top of their to-do list forever that they haven't done, right? None of us are immune to procrastination. It's gonna happen at some point. So I'm gonna give you a framework for 3 actions to take when you feel this creeping up so that you can get clear. So a lot of actors in our membership are creating content. So we'll work through that as an example, right? So say there is some content that you want to create to showcase your acting abilities, but you just can't seem to force yourself to start writing and get it off the ground. Step 1, how do you feel when you think about creating that content? Do you feel anxious? Do you feel scared? Do you feel overwhelmed in some way? Figure out what that feeling is or what those feelings are and write those down. Step 2, what is the actual thought that goes through your head that's creating that emotion? So for the content creation example, maybe it's something like, I'm not good enough to write this, or no one's going to like this once it's finished, or this is totally not going to do anything to help me move my career forward. So write those thoughts down. Step 3 is to reframe your thoughts, because if we want a different feeling, we have to have a different thought, right? So perhaps you can switch that feeling or that thought from, this is not going to work, this is never going to help me launch my career, to, wow, I can't wait for this creation to be out there in the world and for people to see what I have to offer. Always remember, trying to hustle your way through procrastination will never work. So we want to figure out the cause, because only then will we be able to finally move forward.